Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, She's French, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is a little bit of a vlog, but if you don't know, my name is Jenna. I'm a French girl based out of California, and I make videos about curating your life French girl style. This is not my typical look for videos, but right now I figured I would take you with me as I get ready. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. It's my goal this year to hit 1,000 subscribers, and we're getting really close at 900 plus, so thank you so much. And if you're not yet subscribed, please consider it. So this week I didn't do a regular video because it was my son's first birthday, and actually today is the day of his party, so I figured I would take you with me. Get ready. I'm going to be wearing a dress, which is kind of crazy because I've been talking about adding the perfect dress to my tiny minimalist closet, and I found it. I'm gonna be wearing it today. I never wear dresses, so you know it's an occasion if I'm wearing a dress. But anyway, let's do makeup first. I'm wearing Ryan's t-shirt. I got the cat ears on. We're doing the prep before putting the dress on because I don't want to get any makeup on the dress. And then I'm obviously gonna do my hair also. So yeah, I'm taking you with me. I'm gonna show you the little party setup. It's super cute. And I'll show you what Zen's wearing, what Ryan's wearing, and obviously what I'm wearing too. So anyway, enough talking. Let's get ready. I'm running kind of late. I was baking this morning, so let's go. First things first, my regular ordinary foundation. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been getting a little bit of the sun, so I'm a little bit more tan. And when I'm more tan, I don't want to do heavy makeup. I feel like, honestly, the tan kind of blurs my imperfections, especially the scar on my nose. That's like the main thing I try to cover up with makeup. So I feel like it blends a bit better because obviously the scar is dark, unfortunately, but it's all good. I'm still gonna conceal because I'm like forever tired looking, and oh my god, this is postpartum hair loss, you guys. It kind of crept up on me. I thought I like avoided it, and then towards like 8 months, it started creeping up. I've lost pretty much hair all around my hairline and on the back of my head just a little bit, maybe where I have a cowlick or something like that. It's like a very strange placement, so don't mind that. I was pretty intimidated by that hair loss when I first noticed it, but now I see that it's growing, it's concealing a little bit better, so it is what it is. I'm hoping that I have time to put the Glamnetic fake nails on. I'm running pretty late, but I'm really hoping that I will be able to do it. I guess we'll find out in the video if I have them on. If I did it, celebrate for me. If not, it's all good. Next, I'm gonna do the powder. This is the same Laura Mercier setting powder in honey. This powder is exactly why I didn't put the dress on, because it goes a little bit everywhere. It might also be my brush. I don't know that it's the powder's fault. Honestly, the powder can do no wrong. It's a great powder. I do really like this powder. I really find that it's super blurring. Let me know what you think. You've seen me use this like a million times. See, it's all over my hand. I'm like picking up powder from my fingers and not the pot. So Zen turning 1 was super emotional. I'm actually in shock that he's 1. I feel like the year really flew by. So this is me telling you guys, like, take it all in, enjoy like little moments and stuff, because time really goes by fast. And babies, in the span of a year, they really grow a lot. So it was really crazy. I was looking back on pictures like yesterday we went to the beach on his actual birthday. He loves the beach. He was covered in sand, got me covered in sand. The beach experience with a baby, what is laying out? Forget about laying out. You will never lay out again. You will be basically rolled in the sand. You're gonna be like a churro, but it's not sugar, it's sand. So that was fun. He loved it, so that's all that mattered. We made him his favorite food. He loves Beyond Patties. He got a little croissant because he loves croissant. He opened his gift. We got him a little water table that blows bubbles. He loved it. And then I got him a little croissant plushie that's really cute. It matches really well with the nugget couch that we added to his bedroom. And it was really cute. It was a cute day. And then today we're celebrating with friends and family, just a little small thing in our house It's gonna be really fun. I'm excited. Okay, so next up, let's add more color back into my face. I always do this. I like have it, I take it away a little bit, and then I add it back. I'm gonna be using Buff from Merit and the Merit brush. I just put a little bit on the brush. I've been experimenting with this because I love stick makeup like this. And I find that a little bit on the brush works really well. I'm gonna dab top of my nose, kind of just wherever the sun hits. Okay, maybe a little bit much, we'll blend it. It actually doesn't look so heavy in person. And then we're gonna do right under the cheeks. I try to experiment with whether I like to go under the cheeks or over, like where the sun would hit them on the high points. But I think that I kind of prefer just a little bit under, and then it like kind of creeps onto the cheek. I feel like that creates like a nicer shape on the face. You know, like, because right here you create a little bit of definition. Here we go, super simple. I'm basically doing my everyday makeup. I feel like the dress is pretty statement, so I want to stay pretty chilled with everything else. But you know, it's my son's first birthday, so definitely an occasion. Guys, look at this. It's like a little chicken. Okay, so here's the eyeliner. I did it a bit lower today. Honestly, I wasn't really deciding on where it went. Eyeliner kind of just happens, I feel like. And then you go with it. And then I'm gonna do the Merit mascara. I'm gonna put my little pink aloof. I have the Merit clear lip oil under this one. It makes it blend so well. Like, obviously if you want to do a pigmented lip, this will not work for you, but how I wear it, basically I like a moisturized lip, then I just put a little bit of color. Kind of makes it look like just the tiniest bit of pigment, but you don't have to worry about it smudging, shifting. It's so subtle that throughout the day it can just wear off and then you reapply and it's not a big deal. So that is it. I think I am gonna do earrings though. I'm trying to decide if I should do my hair next or the dress. Obviously I have to take this off. I think I can do the hair and then put the dress on because I don't want to sit on the floor with the dress. Right now I'm sitting on the floor in front of the mirror. I don't want to do that. It deserves better than that. So let's do the hair. I'm gonna get my curling iron and I will be right back. Welcome to the hair segment. I literally just took the ears off. So this is super easy. You've seen me do this years ago if you're like an OG. Basically, oh, I'm gonna spray some of this first. This is Sun Bum Heat Protector. Sun Bum is a local brand to me. They're like 15 minutes away. I love their products. I use them on me, on Ryan, on Zen. Everybody uses Sun Bum. I like this one a lot. So just heat protecting because I'm gonna curl the tiniest bit. I'm gonna brush it through. Kind of let it dry a little bit so you're not putting your tools on wet hair. And it's a little bit greasy, so be careful. Like, you can already see kind of like tamed all my frizz. Be careful, you don't want to have like a greasy head of hair when you're about to do some styling. I also use this when I get out the shower. It's really good for detangling. I don't use the blow dryer on it. Try to let it air dry, but you know, I like it still. So I'm gonna part in the middle. I always do this. I like stop mid-thing, look crazy, and then I start talking to you. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do my hair like this or if I'm gonna put it all up, but the base is the same, but I think I'm gonna keep it half up, half down. So I'm gonna part in the middle. This is a very lazy part, but it actually works really well for me. Go. And excuse all the baby hairs. I told you guys this is where it really broke off, but all here I've had that postpartum breakage. I'm trying to find one for you. It's especially bad on this side. Look at this. Oh. Yep, it kind of just appeared out of nowhere, so definitely gave me a little shock, but at least I have those pieces up top that cover it, which is good. But you know, such is life, c'est la vie. I have a beautiful baby out of it, so I'm not mad one bit. These pieces I'm gonna curl. I'm gonna kind of brush, and as I brush, grab hair. See how I grabbed like a good section right there? I'm gonna twist once like this and then clip that little flat part to my head with 2 bobby pins. So that's one. You can definitely use cuter clips. I feel like they blend okay with my roots right now, but you could definitely do like really pretty clips instead. Kind of similar to my Sailor Moon style hair that I used to do, but I'd say a little bit chicer maybe. This is super simple, minimal like hair pulling, things like that. I don't think it's a very damaging style, just the curling in the front, but you know, it's just 2 pieces. It's not your whole head. Looks really crazy right now, but it drops down, so I actually don't touch it. Oh my god, you guys, I had a slight panic that I didn't turn the phone on, the camera, to record, but we're good. Last thing, I have a little bit of this Olaplex hair oil. I'm just gonna put some in the hair that's back there. My hair is naturally straight. I'm not gonna do anything. I could curl. I used to curl the back when I did my Sailor Moon hair, but I feel like this is fine. I don't really need to do a whole thing. This is like really running out, but it will do. This oil is very good if you have fine hair. It soaks in really well. It won't leave you overly greasy. Right now it looks a bit greasy, but it will really soak in, so you won't look like you have like a really heavy amount of oil on. And that is hair done. So yeah, my other option was just to grab the rest and put it in a bun. I feel like this is cute. The dress has an open back detail, so I don't want to take away from it, but let me show you the dress. I'm gonna put the earrings in too. I think that will kind of complete it better. Okay guys, I have the earrings in, I have the dress on. I'm so excited to show it to you. I fell like in love hard with this dress. I knew I had to have it. I had been keeping my eye out for the perfect black dress to add to my closet. I feel like I can dress this up, dress it down. Enough talking, let me show it to you. Here is the dress. So let me show you the details. Front is like this. This piece actually wraps around like a scarf. Sorry, I'm having to bend down a bit. It's like this, kind of maxi midi on me. Little slit here so you can walk. But guys, this is where it's at. It has the most beautiful 2 straps. Top is fully open. It's like a pretty low open back. I feel like it's just so feminine, like classy, but still maybe a little bit sexy. But yeah, amazing. Can definitely wear this like with my sneakers. I tried it with heels. Like there's so much I can do with this dress. So I'm really, really happy. I love it. I don't know that it's so striking with me barefoot, but we're at the house, so here is the final look. Cute little gold earrings, the cute hair. See, it's starting to drop already. Kind of half up, half down. And the back. Here is what Ryan is wearing. He's wearing a really nice silky chocolate brown shirt by the brand Kith. This is like a satin material and like pajama style. He's gonna wear it with the first button undone. It flows really nicely on the body. It has like a really nice drape. It looks so good on him. I love shirts like these on men. And then he's gonna wear some black denim shorts. These are the brand Ice Cream by Pharrell. Super cool shorts. Ryan has a really great closet, you guys. We've got the record player playing for the vibes. Let me show you guys the little party setup. So we have a little food setup over here, you guys. I baked these this morning. These are vegan carrot cupcakes. We then have these peanut butter cookies, also vegan. Some chips. This is like the little play area. That's a picture of Zen. We're putting some food out here. We're gonna have a pizza and like those big containers that dispense drinks. I literally have no idea what they're called. So yeah, just super simple. We have some watermelon too. Cute little first birthday. And then Zen is gonna sit right here. We put some little balloons up here. for like a cute little picture. He's gonna have his little cake. We're gonna blow out the candles for him, but then he can go ahead and dig into that cake. I baked it myself. It matches these. No walnuts on the top for his. I put some brown sugar, and I made the cream cheese frosting myself too. I made everything from scratch. I'm very, very proud. It's really hard to do when it's vegan. Like, it can go one way or another, so thankfully it turned out good. Also got the diffuser going with a pumpkin spice essential oil. I know pumpkin spice is more of a seasonal one, but it just smells cozy. It smells really good. Just kind of setting up the vibe, setting the scene for you guys. But yeah, it's a really nice day. Zen's in a really good mood. He's excited.